In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord permissions and roles. Discord is an excellent platform for building communities of all sizes, whether you're creating a gaming server, managing a study group, running a hobby community, or organizing a professional team. One of the most important parts of managing a successful server is understanding how roles and permissions work. Properly configured roles help keep your server organized, while permissions ensure that members have access only to the features they need. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating roles and configuring their permissions. To begin, open Discord and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the application, navigate to the server where you want to manage roles and permissions. At the top left corner of the Discord window, click on your server's name to open the server menu. From the list of available options, select Server Settings, then click Roles. This section is where you'll create, edit, and manage every role on your server. To create a new role, click the Create Role button. You'll first be asked to enter a name for the role. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the responsibilities or access level assigned to that group of members. A well-named role makes it much easier for both administrators and members to understand its purpose. Next, choose a color for the role. Role colors aren't just for appearance, they also make it easier to distinguish different groups of members in both the chat window and the server's member list. Using different colors can improve organization, especially on larger servers with multiple roles. You'll also have the option to display members with that role separately from online members. This setting is optional, but it can be useful if you want members holding a specific role to appear in their own dedicated section of the member list, making them easier to identify. After you finish configuring these settings, click Save Changes to apply your new role. Saving your work ensures that the role and its settings become active on your server. Next, move to the Permissions tab within the same role settings. This is where you control what members assigned to the role are allowed to do. You'll find a variety of permissions that can be turned on or off depending on your server's needs. Enabled permissions are indicated with a green checkmark, while disabled permissions display a gray X. Take your time when reviewing these options and only grant permissions that are appropriate for the role's intended responsibilities. Once you've finished adjusting the permissions, click Save Changes once again to apply your updates. With your roles and permissions properly configured, your Discord server will be more organized, secure, and easier to manage, creating a better experience for everyone in your community. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.